Hello everyone and welcome back for our last day together. It's December 24 and there's been hundreds and hundreds of you here every day, and I'm really pleased that we're able to share this project together. So we've just got the one area left to go, and it's the star of the show. It's the pear of the pear tree. So let's have a look. I'm thinking we want something that is going to help make this look very rounded. So that means we have to use curvy lines. So I'm going to start here from just an imaginary point and take curves out to the edge, just like that, with my friction pen. Okay, now if you've drawn it and you don't like it, you can iron it and try again. But it's basically like a spider's web, but with curved lines rather than straight lines. And don't put that slap bang in the middle, put it off to one side. Far sexier, by far. Now we're going to work our way and into the middle and create the spokes of this design. Right, there we are in the middle, and we're going to start making a series of little arcs in a spiral. So as we come out, we'll stitch a little arc just like that and keep going around and around. And there we go, that's our pear. Look at that. Now all we need to do is to iron this and get rid of all that friction pen, and then I am going to get my cream thread and I'm going to do some echo stitching, filling in all the background area, which will kind of push it down and let this be the star of the show. So that's just going to be cream on cream stitching. That doesn't show up very well on the camera, so I'm going to do that as quick as a flash and show you the finished result. So I'll be back quicker than you can say Merry Christmas to all. Truly. So thank you everyone for joining in with our Partridge in a Pear Tree Christmas countdown quilt along for 2021. I hope you've enjoyed it, just our little bit of time together each day, and I'll see you very soon in the new year for more fun and adventures on HelenGordon.com and Helen Gordon Quilts here on YouTube. See you later. Bye bye.